Hi guys, my name is Gia and I'm a junior at Lehigh, and today I'm going to be doing a math video teaching you how to subtract different numbers up to 10. So we're not going to be using any numbers that are larger than 10, so you can get that extra practice for your smaller numbers, and we will be doing that through this video. So I'm going to learn through an example first and show you guys that, and then we'll go through a few problems together. If at any point you think you can answer these questions on your own, I want you to pause the video and solve them, and then play the video when you're ready for me to go through the solution. And then you can check your work against it, see if you got it right, or see where you made a mistake. So I'm going to start right here. It says, how do you make 7? So in each of these questions, it's going to ask you how you can get to 7 using different combinations of subtracting numbers. So each one, if you don't already have this kind of stuff memorized, this is good practice. So you go through each one. 9 minus 4 is 5. Actually, I'm going to write it. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 1 is 8. And 10 minus 2 is 8. So you just do the math between all of them. There's only ever going to be one right answer. Okay, so this is the way you make 7, 9 minus 2. So that would be your correct answer. This is just getting some extra practice with subtraction. Okay, so now let's go through some problems. How do you make 2? So let's do the math together. 3 minus 3 is 0. 2 minus 0, you're subtracting nothing. So that is 2. 5 minus 1, we're only taking away 1, which is 4. And 1 minus 0, taking away nothing, equals 1. So here, the only one of these solutions that equals 2 is this one. So that's our answer. How do you make 10? Let's start from the beginning again. 10 minus 0, you have 10. You take away nothing, you still have 10. 10 minus 2, you have 10. If you need to use your fingers, you can. You have 10, you take away 2, and now you have 8. You have 9, you take away 1, you have 8. You have 9, you take away nothing, 0, you still have 9. So then, the only solution here that makes 10 is this first one. Okay, how do you make 7? Start here. You have 8, you take away 4, you have 4. Okay, you have 9, you take away 3, and now you're left with 6. You have 10, you take away 2, and now you have 8. And 7 minus 0, anything minus 0 is still that same number that stays the same. So that is 7. So here, the only one that makes 7, let's go through, it's not that. Process of elimination, it's not that, it's not this, so it has to be this one. Okay, if you haven't already practiced this on your own, I want you to take a minute, pause the video, do all of these subtraction problems on your own. Now we're going to go through the video together, or the example together. How do you make 0? 5 minus 3 is 2. So we can immediately, that's not correct. 9 minus 9, you have 9. You take away all 9 and you're left with 0. So this one works. You have 10, you take away 8, and you're left with 2. You have 10, you take away 9, you're left with 1. So this one doesn't work, and this one doesn't work, so this must be your answer. To get to 0, you have to take everything away from what you already have. So that's our answer. So I hope you guys learned a little bit more from this. You can do this problem on your own. You can go back and watch the video and practice them all on your own. I hope you learned something new, and thanks for watching.